In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to clean the swimming pool filter balls in your pool filtering system. Does your filter pump spew out nasty green water? If you use filter balls, it's time to give them a deep clean. Alright, the first step is to turn off your pump. Then, set the filter to the X or stop. Next, close the output valve. And plug off the input lines. The reason you do this is so that all of your water doesn't drain out of your pool while you're doing the cleaning. With that done, remove the top of your filter tub. Alright, let's take a look at what we have here. No wonder the filter seems like it's not working. The filter balls are completely full of gunk. Alright, now let's go ahead and get to the fun part. I started out by trying to rinse the filter balls in a pot. It worked okay, but it was too much work dumping it out every time. I switched to a strainer, and this is the method I recommend for you. Use a screen of some kind. Prop it a couple inches off the ground if possible. If you don't have a screen, just spread them out on your driveway. Use your garden hose to spray the gunk out of them. Once you've got one side done, flip them over and repeat for the other side. It's so satisfying watching the dirt and algae disappear. I sprayed and flipped these about 3 or 4 times, and it took about 10 minutes. Once you're done, reassemble the filter tub and put the filter balls back in. Reattach the pump and you're all set. If this was helpful, please subscribe, it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.